Yes.
All right, so this morning I woke up to a tweet of a video of a lady who gave birth outside the Pumwani gates. Now, that incident, I've called Pumwani, and that incident happened about a week ago. And the lady basically was in a taxi headed to Pumwani. All right, Pumwani were on a go-slow. We saw that there was a go-slow over the last 2 weeks in Nairobi. So Pumwani were on a go-slow, but they were still open to help women deliver. Unfortunately, the lady went into labor and her baby was coming out, and she got out of the taxi right outside the gate. The public were actually crowding the area and making a lot of noise, making the few nursing staff that were in the hospital were actually feeling scared to come out in case of being lynched. All right, gates of hospital are always closed anyway. You get in and you open because you have to secure the patients. So the lady received treatment. Her baby was already out by the time the nurses got to her. She gave birth already, and it's happened. We've seen roadside deliveries. You can be heading to hospital and you deliver along the way, and you can't deliver in a car. You have to get out of the car. So the lady delivered. The baby and mother are safe. I'm trying to get the number of the mother so I can talk to her, and then we'll be able to give you an informed decision.